In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites to create a classroom website. Creating an online space for your classroom can greatly enhance communication and organization, allowing you to share resources, post updates, and engage with both students and parents. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to see how you can build your site quickly and efficiently. The first thing you want to do is head over to Google Sites, simply by opening your web browser and typing in the URL sites.google.com. This platform provides a user-friendly interface that makes building a site accessible even for those with minimal technical skills. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice that there are several options available to start your site. Today we're going to focus on using a pre-designed template, which will save us time and ensure a cohesive look. Next, look for the Template Gallery button and give it a click. This is where Google Sites really shines, offering a variety of templates catered to different needs and themes. Browsing through the templates gives you a sense of the possibilities and helps you envision how your classroom site could look. Within the template gallery, you'll want to click on the Class tab. This section offers templates specifically designed for educational purposes, which means they come with elements that are particularly useful for classroom communication. Selecting one of these templates will give you a fantastic starting point and relieve you from having to build everything from scratch. Now, once you've selected a template, it's time to personalize it according to your needs. On Google Sites, you can easily make changes by clicking on different elements within the template. You can edit text fields to add your classroom information, change images to reflect the school's identity, and even adjust the layout to suit your specific style. Think about the information that is most important to communicate, such as class schedules, assignments, or important announcements. Consider how you'd like to prioritize this content on your site. As you make these tweaks, you'll notice that Google Sites allows for a lot of flexibility in terms of design. You have control over fonts, colors, and overall page structure. This way you can ensure that the website aligns with your classroom's aesthetic and functional needs. Don't hesitate to explore different sections, like adding additional pages for resources, links, or even a blog section for classroom news. Once you're happy with the overall design and content, remember to preview your site to see how it will look to visitors. This is a crucial step as it ensures everything appears as intended. Finally, when you're ready, hit the publish button to make your classroom website live, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll have a professional and practical classroom website ready to enhance your educational environment. Thank you for watching and happy site building.